Not really, because I think math is like a fun kind of thing, not really something to be like competed in, but
Okay. So you know what? If you already think math is really fun, so math competition will be even funnier. I should not say that. But the thing is, um, I really love math. I starting to competing all the different kind of level of math since when I was in sorry, grade two. Okay, when I was in China, and I feel like math is only something that it's not being like it's right. It must be right, right? It's not like Chinese or English, or if the teacher likes you more, then he or she probably give you a better score. But math is like if you get a right answer, nobody can steal any score from you. So at least I think math is very fair. To me, I think fair is the most important thing in this world. Okay, I want to be treated fairly, no matter boys and girls or older and smaller. So I want to be fair. So math is a very fair subject. And number two, I think math is to contain a lot of logic there. I don't know if you ever heard of a thing is called a predictor, right? In this, you never know that. So the predictor is like something, for instance, I think the forecast is a kind of predictor, forecaster. Like he's telling you tomorrow it's going to be rain. Who knows? Right? It's almost like the box is never, until the box is being opened, you never know the cat is alive or not. What is that thing? Schrödinger theory, right? So it's like, who knows that tomorrow's raining or not? But the predictor, the forecaster, they can tell you. So why? Based on what? Based on the math and based on the logic. Okay, so today we're going to learn some logic. And you know what? I think none of the students in my class, oh, you Isaac, are you okay?
Yeah.
So none of the student in this class, Oliver, are you grade 9? No, right? Nobody's in grade 9. But I'm going to show you something in grade 9. Okay, actually, this is a chapter of grade 9, section 7. Okay, so let's see if it is really, really scary. So let's take a look at this one. So study the pattern and predict the missing value. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Isaac, see, I can read your mind. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So the first one, so everybody in your grade 9, and it's like the second semester, you're going to learn these things. So let's see if it is something really hard. 1 times 9 plus 2 equals 11. 12 times 9 plus 3 equals 111. So let's predict what times what plus what, because that's, in my mind, equals 1,111. And what times what plus what equals 11,111. Okay, boys and girls, try to do it. Sad. I just to invite Ping to come into the class and she said no. My heart is broken. I said I was like rejected by my own biological daughter. Okay, Oliver, can you tell me what times what plus what equals 1,000 equals 1111? Make a guess.
123 times 9 plus 4.
Thank you. How smart you are. And Kai, can you tell me 什么乘以什么加上什么等于11111? Okay.
1,000.
1,234 times
9 equals 5.
plus 5.
Oh, plus 5.
Very good. Okay. So Ivy, I don't know if you see that, right? It's not like something we're telling you, but you are actually a predictor. You can see that, right? So let's take a look at number B. So number B, 9 squared equals 81. 99 squared equals 9,801. And I'm not going to give you time because Ivy, you're going to directly tell me the answer. What equals 998,001?
Is it 9?
哎，你叫 Ivy 吗？啊，Ivy 吗？
Is
哎
it, is
呀
it 999?
，very good. And 999 squared, right? So last but not least, okay, Isaac, your turn. I'm going to give you blank. Everything is not there. Tell me the answer.
Is it 9,999 squared
Uh-huh.
equals 999 8 0 0 0 1?
Very good. Okay, get it? So this is the
God.
thing. So now Ivy, Dan, Oliver, and Kai and Samuel, you probably have a very big question mark in your brains, like why this teacher, or why when we are in grade 9, we have to learn something like that. This is so-called pattern. The pattern is if 2001 的 September 15th is rainy, if 2002 September 15th is raining, and all the way to 2021 the September 15th is raining, and plus based on the temperature is increasing, like we checked the humidity of this day, like today is very high, so 2022 September 15th is also it's going to be rain. So that's the same thing. All the pattern is based on what? The before data. Understand, Kai? So it's all based on whatever happened, we can predict it, what's going on in the future. Oliver, understand? So that's why 你们以为 Elon Musk, why he could tell you that we could live on Mars. It's an imagination. It's a predict. The predict based on the pattern, which is based on math. Understand? Okay, so you're gonna see some people is really rich. They could even predicted the stock market tomorrow's number. Like this stock is going to be selling $20, but today is only 15. So they're gonna buy all the money for that stock. Why? Based on the data. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Math is really useful. So let's take a look at number 2. Study the pattern and predict the next 2 terms. Okay, number A and number B. Boys and girls, your turn. Okay, and the thing is, you're going to send me the answer through chat. And I would like to see who's getting the fastest. Okay. Thank you, Dan. There should be, oh, there's, that's the first question, and there are 2, A and B, Dan.
When do we have to submit the answers?
Now, like whenever you're ready, whenever you finish. Just,
Oh, okay.
just be using the answer to just a punch on my head. Just yeah, just send it to me. Okay, thank you, Samuel. The weird thing is, okay, thank you, Isaac. Good job. Isaac is the best. Okay, the Isaac's 他写的非常好。他说 A blah blah B blah blah. Okay, very good. So because sometimes I'm stupid. So the more class I give it to you, and the more dumber I'm gonna be. So just the more clearer, then I'm gonna be a happier teacher. Okay, thank you, Isaac. Good job. So Ivy and Oliver, I have received. Dan and Samuel, you only give me half. Or I think Dan only gave me the second half. No, it's weird. Dan, I'm not very sure about Dan's answer. Okay, so I'm going to start to explain. Okay, so everybody, so
I'm not really sure about my second answer, but I'm just gonna go with it.
okay. It's okay. I'm not going to bite you, Samuel. Okay, don't be scared because Isaac know me, Oliver know me. I sometimes gonna be a fire dragon, but only once a year. Oliver 对不对？老师一年发一次火吧？有没有？没有。I'm a kind person, right, Oliver? Okay. So let's take a look at this one. How to make 2 to 6, 4, 6 to 15, 9, 15 to 6, 31, 16. This one, 25 and 36. Immediately, I realized the number has been plus is all square number. 4 is 2 squared. 9, 3 squared. 16, 4 squared. 25, 5 squared. 36, 6 squared. So this one is going to add 7 49. So the answer is 141. Ivy, good job. Dan, good job. Isaac, good job. And Samuel, good job. Okay, so I think everybody get it right. Hi, did you send it to me yet? Okay, next one is going to be 64. So the answer is 205. Okay, so next one, this time is decrease. So minus 8 plus 4 minus 9 and plus 5 minus 10 and plus 4. So this one is minus 11. So will be 33 and plus 3. So 36. So the answer is 33 and 37. Am I making any mistakes? No, I'm right.
Wait, what?
I think I did the
What
subtract.
were the,
我剪错了吗？minus
the,
plus 4.
the second minus is, I mean, it's plus 4, not plus 5.
Oh, sorry, it's all plus 4. Sorry. Yeah, I make mistakes. See, I said everybody's allowed to make mistakes. We're human beings, right? Okay. So the
I guess
answer
my
is
second answer was right anyway.
141, 205, and 33 and 70, 37. Hey, Isaac. Isaac is wrong for this one.
Except for the last 35.
And Dan is all right for the 2 questions, and Dan is very quick for the
Wait.
second one. I think Dan is right. And
I'm
Samuel
scared
is
of-
right as well.
I'm scared that
Ivy hasn't chance to finish the second one yet, right? Don't worry about it. It's okay. We're getting there. Get it, everybody? So why I'm making mistakes? Because my written is horrible, right? Because as my level of teacher, do you think I'm going to making silly mistakes like that? No, but when the scribble, if you're just doing so messy, everybody's going to make mistakes. So I'm going to give you a write out, yeah, so everybody know that. So try to make it neat and tidy. Okay, so +4 -9 +4 -10 +4, so -11 33, and +4 37. Right? So neat and tidy is not something that your mom asked you to do. It's something you're helping yourself from making mistakes. Then you see, you're gonna spend a lot of stupid time on like very easy, right? Okay, so boys and girls, number 3 and number 4, they're going to be all together 6 questions. Okay, no mistakes is allowed, and everybody 2 minutes. And we have a human. Okay, we haven't people named a human. Okay, so boys and girls, 3, 4, they're all together 6 questions. And when you finish, please send it to me. Thank you, and I'm going to time you. 2 minutes starts right now. Eh, 2分钟还没到啊 Cannot believe that. 25 seconds left. Okay, everybody, 2 minutes is up. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Determine the number of line segments in the 100th pattern. So everybody who tell me that you're not a predictor, you are, okay? Everybody who is good at math, you are a predictor, because you know what? We're not going to draw the 100th pattern, correct, Ivy? That's stupid, right? Because I don't want to do it. But the thing is, we can, based on whatever we know, and we can predict it something we don't know. That is the beauty of math. Okay, so first triangle, how many line segments are there, Samuel?
The first one is 2. Oh, sorry, I just said it too.
3. 1, 2, 3. Get it? So when we're talking about the line segments, that means 先短, 对不对? Okay, so number 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're gonna find out they're what? They're continuous odd numbers. But this one is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So how do we do this? We need to find a what? A pattern or a formula. So this one is 1 times 2 plus 1, 2 times 2 plus 1, 3 times 2 plus 1. So the 100th is 100 times 2 plus 1. So the answer is 2 and 1. Good job, Samuel. You got it right. Impressive. Quick and right. So let's take a look at the next one. The next one is actually very easy to make mistakes. Why? A lot of students, we're going to think, oh, 1 square, 4 square, 9 square, and the 100th will be 100 square of the squares.
Oh, line segments.
So we have to read the question carefully enough. Still, we're talking about the line segment. So the Samuel is giving me the answer is 10,000. If the question is asking you how many squares are there, you get it right. Correct? But unfortunately, they're asking you how many line segment. So this one's 4. This one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you need to find the formula of first one, second one, third one. Okay, I'm not going to explain this one because this is part of your homework. So don't make mistakes, right? Because you know what? If some questions you don't know, you absolutely don't know how to do it, it is okay. But if you're making mistakes by not reading the question carefully enough, that is kind of pity.
Oh yeah. I was wondering, what does like nth term mean on question 4?
Nth term means that you're just creating a how to say, a formula. So
Okay,
n
so
could be anything. So n could be 4, n can be 5. So whenever you just replace this variables with any numbers. Okay, so this one, the first one is 2, the second one is 6, 12, 20. So what is the relationship between them? So each of them is +4, +6, +8, right? So nth term, this one probably a little bit hard for all of you. So let's just change it to list 3 terms for that. Okay, so +4, +6, +8, so +10, +12, +14. So +3, +5, +7, +9, and +11, and +13, right, everybody? So this one's 1 squared, 1, 0 squared, 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared. So the next one will be 4 squared, and 5 squared, and 6 squared. And let's take a look at number D. I'm using number D. Okay, Samuel, let me just show you how to make an n formula. So this is the first one. This is the second one. This is third one. This is fourth one. So if I want to give you the formula for them, it's n minus 1 squared. So this is nth. So you can just plug in with anything. 所以这个所有的数据里面的第5项就是5减1的平方，所以4的平方。
So you have to write the formula?
Yeah, but it's okay. It's a little bit too hard. And the AMCH is not going to ask you to do something like that. So as long as you know how to do it, it's fine. Okay, so that's why the second one will be, this is the second one, right? So it's going to be n minus 1 over n. So n equals 1. So n minus 1 over n. So 1 minus 1 over 1 equals 0. So that's the same thing. So this one is when n equals 2. When n equals 2 is 2 minus 1 over 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. Get it? Am I too fast or everybody is still with me?
I think I'm good for now.
Okay, you're good. Okay, so everybody is very good. So we already have 30 minutes class. I'm not sure if you noticed that the time is really flying. I know. Okay, so I'm going to give you a break, but the break is not just to let you talk. During the break, we're going to do some relaxing math calculation. They said, what? You're talking about this and you're telling me you're relaxing? Yes. Okay, everybody, you're going to have 5 minutes and try to finish as many questions as you can, okay? You need a pencil, you need a pen, and you need a paper, and you need a brain. And we're going to calculate this one, okay, everybody? 1, 2. Yeah, I'm not started yet. Go.
I can't find my paper.
那我有什么办法？我给你织布。
Yeah, sure. Okay, fine. I found my favorite. I can find my pencil. I got it. I'm just getting the golfing pen.
Three minutes left. One minute left.
Done.
为什么有一个人叫鹏鹏？
Done.
Very good. The people who finished, good job. Okay.
Where did Goldie go?
哎，Daniel，你为什么不能把脸那个露出来呢？我问你啊，还
我是
冒充鹏鹏。
We're
我跟你讲，我
gold.
们现在马上不上课，开始打麻将，你来不来？哎呦。Okay, time is up. Okay, everybody. Don't worry about it. If you don't finish it, it's totally fine. Okay, it's just something to relax your brain from thinking about something. So, our brain is left side and right side, and actually using the before is the logic part, and now it's just a calculation part. So, doing the different training will losing the tighten part of one of your brain. Okay, so that's why you don't have to really like transfer from math to English, English to science. And those things is sometimes, maybe 30 minutes is not good enough to finish one subject. But 30 minutes is enough time to tire your brain. So you can just choose the one subject, but different method or the different material to losing your brain. Okay, everybody? So please calculate it. How many questions you have done? Ivy, okay? Kai, count how many questions you did and send it to me. I want to see it, okay? And also, I want you to write this number on your notebook for day 1. For instance, you only even finished 10, that's fine. Because if next class you could finish 12, that is already a taking progress. Understand, Ivy? Right? Don't compete with any others. We only compete ourselves. Good job, Kai. I have received your number. Oliver, 你的呢？奶牛 Oliver。Isaac， 你干嘛？你 Isaac， 我觉得你要睡着了。我觉得我把你们家 Tiger 叫过来，好吧
Tiger's at Tiger's.
？Tiger 到哪去了 ？Tiger 来了吗
She's she's coming. Tiger, come.
？Tiger 呢？
Happy.
Show them this food because I'm here.
啊，为什么你拿
Oh,
了
he's on the happy dog. Come on, happy dog. Tiger. Ah! Oi!
哦
What's your food? Get on the table. Don't drop it on the computer. You want your food? Say go get your. You want your food to get on the table.
哦，你听到吗？你刚刚 Tiger， 我们在叫 Tiger， 然后狗蛋在门口不行了，狗蛋在门口不行了。我看 Tiger 你好像吃的很不错的样子，你在吃什么？我怎么觉得他在吃一个木头还是什么东西？是鱼吗
Ew.
？That's
I have the same dog.
really
Yeah.
Ivy， 你们家 dog 是男生还是女生？
Donnie dog.
男生牧羊犬。
他说那 fix 了吗？
Get on the table.
什么？
有 fix 吗？
我
Oh, great, Isaac! I have found out the boyfriend to Tiger. Ivy, Tiger 是个女生，你们两个可以那个做那个狗狗的妈妈和爸爸。啊，真的，哇！你看这个课好不好？这课把狗狗的终身大事都解决了。Okay, that's such a good. Okay, 好 let's go back to the class. Okay, let's go back to the class. I have received Samuel
Right here.
and Ivy, and good job. I have received. Isaac is busy playing the tiger. It's fine. Isaac, tell me the number later, okay? Okay, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, so everybody, you know that. So it's going to be something like that, okay? So when you see the nth pattern for this week's homework, don't worry about it. We're just going to do the third term, okay? I just want to make it easier for you. I don't want you to just do that one. Okay, so now let's move to this one, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So this is a very, very common questions in math. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. OK， 好，有些小朋友说，老师啊，我学数学不想去考数学比赛了，对不对？我不想考，我就想学学。那我跟你说，这个就是9年级 exactly 数学的课本啊。Okay, I'm not changing anything at all. Okay, actually, I don't know if you heard that story. 我有很多小朋友在8年级以前、7年级以前数学都非常好，每次都是 A， 对不对？因为感觉在学校里面根本不学东西。后来到了8年级、9年级以后，一下子有些小朋友数学成绩就下来了。Okay, effectively, it's going to affect it to a lot of different subjects in school as well. Because in seriously, like you're going to study seriously starting grade 8 or grade 9. Okay, everything gets harder. So let's take a look at this one. Samuel，你姐姐有没有告诉你是不是都难起来了，对吧？8年级到9年级是不是就开始难起来了？Samuel？
好像是，但我不记得。
But let's take a look at this one. So this is a grade 9 math competition, not competition, just grade 9 book. Put the number from 1 to 9 in the circle so that each edge adds up to the same number. So what does it mean? 在这里有1条线，有2条线，有3条线 ，OK？ 这3条线上面是不是每一条线上面有4个数字啊？对不对？ There are 4 numbers, OK？So， 哎，你们有没有觉得，如果我开始说话这样子的话，就感觉我好像还是在说英语 ，but I'm actually speaking in Chinese 所以1条线、2条线、3条线上面都有4个数字，你把4个数字加起来的数字的和是一样的。The sum will be the same. Okay, everybody? I'm not going to help you first. I want you to do it yourself. Try to solve the problem. There are 9 numbers and 9 slots, and put the number. 有9个数字，把9个数字放到9个洞洞里面，然后4个数字加起来，每一个都是一样的。Okay, so I don't know, like if you're spending more than 3 minutes on top of this question, that means you need somebody like me to give you some hints. Okay, let me give you some hint. I'm not going to tell you how to do it, but I'm going to give you some hint. Is that okay? Sounds like a very nice teacher, right? Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So Isaac, let me ask you a very simple question. There's something we know, okay? So there are 9 numbers, okay? It's going to put it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slots. Okay? So do we know that each of the line equals what? We don't know that, right? But it seems that all the elements we know, the ingredients we know, but in order to know that, we can just put all the numbers together and divide it by 3. And it seems that each of the line we know what is the sum should be. So who can tell me 1 plus all the way to 9 equals what?
45.
Thank you. So 45 divided by 3. So why it is 3, Ivy, is because there's a 1 line, 2 line, and 3 line, right? We're using nothing but these 9 numbers. So it should be 15. It looks like that. But I'm going to show you one thing, okay? Everybody, if I name this one A, this one B, this one C. So let's take a look at this one. And I put this one as little a, little b, little c, little d, little e, little f. You're going to see this sum equals a plus b plus a plus b. This sum equals a plus c plus e plus f. And this sum equals b plus c plus c plus d. This one's little, this is big C. There's something here has been used. It looks like there are 9 numbers, but actually there are how many numbers? 看起来是一共只有9个数字，但是你看 how many numbers are there? Ivy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
12.
12 very good. 其实12个数字加起来，那 we only have 9 numbers, Oliver. Why there are 12 numbers here?
Because the ones on the corners are repeated.
Thank you very much, Oliver. Good job. Because these 3 guy has been used twice. Get it? Okay, so I'm going to give you some help is I'm going to put 1 and 2 and 3 here. So instead of 45 is the total number sum, we should plus another 1 plus another 2, another 3, because these 3 numbers has been used twice. Correct? So 45 plus 6 equals what? Equals 51. So that is the sum of 1 sum, 2 sum, and 3 sum. So 51 divided by 3 equals 17. Okay, so I'm going to tell you. So this line, and this line, the 3 sums number will be 17 for each line. So I have already know the first one's 1 and this one's 2. So 17 minus 3 equals what? Equals 14. These 3 number has been used. So what is 14? Maybe I can use 6 and 8. So let's see, there is 17 minus 4, so 13. Where is 13? 9 and 4. And this one's 2 and 3, so 17 minus 5 equals 12. So what is left? 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 is here. So I'm going to put the number 1, 8, 6, 2, 1, 9, 4, 3. And 2, 7. So gonna find out each line is the same. Understand, everybody? I'm going to stop here. I know I do everything really quick. So that's why I give you 2 minutes to think about it, because you know what? This question do come in with 3 different sets of the answer. Okay, if you truly understand this one, just do it later on. But you can ask any questions, okay?
Are we supposed to send you the answers?
You know the answer already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, like before you showed it to us.
Oh yeah, if you know the answer.
Oh. I
可是
heard
Samuel 这道题目应该有3个答案。Okay, it's not only.
Oh. I mean, I got the.
You got one?
No, like I got the one. I got it, but like you did the exact same as mine.
Okay, great. So if you are the same logic as me, so you should find out the other answers by like that. And Ivy, if you have any questions, or Oliver, Kai, Isaac, Pang, fake Pang, if you want to ask me any questions, you just ask me, okay?
How do you get to 41 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3?
41 plus
No,
45.
like plus
45.
yeah, 45 plus like the part where you plus 1 plus 2 plus 3.
Because I put 1 and 2 and 3 in the corner, Oliver. 那如果我是放4、5、6在 corner 里面，你这里就要加 4 plus 5 plus 6, because that's a number has been used twice. You need to add this additional sets of the number into the sum. Then you divided the 3, you know the each line sum. Understand?
Then why do you put the 1, 2, and 3 on the corners?
Oh, because that's a number we are trying. I'm going to tell you then because all the numbers, they related to each other, right, Oliver? And also for those numbers, they're continuously numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the difference is 1. So you cannot put 1 and 8 and 9 because then the differences will be too huge. Understand? You can try them. But I suggest like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, 8, 9.
What do you do now?
Okay, Samuel, did you finish all the other 2?
I didn't finish all of them.
I found another answer.
You find another answer? There should be 2. There should be 3. Like, yeah.
I know it's kind of a little bit very messy. So I'm going to, we can just by practicing more. Okay, so for all these questions, I'm going to put 4, everybody 4, since you're not asking me questions, I guess you understand it. So I'm going to just do it. So 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so Oliver, so since all the number plus together equals 45, we know, and we put 4, 5, and 6 in the corner. So these 3 numbers has used twice because 4 is A, 5 is B, and 6 is C. So you can see A 被用了2次 ，B 用了2次 ，C 也用了2次，对不对 ？So Kai 45加4加5加6等于多少？ 45 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals what?
60.
Very good. So this one equals 60. So because all these 12 numbers, 你看为什么是这样子？你看啊，这是9个数字，加上第10个数字，加上第11个数字，加上第12个数字。So this is a sum of these 12 numbers. Understand, Ivy? 对不对？ So, and we know each of the sum, they equals to each other. So 60 divided by 3 equals 20. So 20 equals each of the line. 那你看这里有一个4，这里有个5，那也就是说这2个数字加起来要等于11，对不对？这里有个4，这里有个6，那说明这2个数字加起来等于10 ，right？ 那我们有这2个数字，一个5，一个6，那说明这2个数字加起来9。Now, how do we find these numbers? Because we only have 1, 2, 3, and 7, 8, 9 left. So where is 11? 3 and 8. Where is 10? 9 and 10, 1 and 2 and 7. But some people said, hey, 老师，我不喜欢3和8变成11，我就喜欢9和2011，行不行？当然可以啊。Who said no? Understand, Abby? It doesn't matter. OK, so 我这边写9和2好了，对不对？那我这边需要10，我这边写3和7。So last one is 1 and 8. It doesn't matter. Get it? So it's flexible. So let's just do the one final one. Everybody, I want you to immediately do 7, 8, 9在这里. So what is the answer? OK, quickly. Okay, so I think it's pretty easy because it's 45 plus 24, I think, yes. So 69 divided by 3 equals 23. So everybody, I don't know if you are trying to just to follow my logic is, I just want to explain more about this question. It's a very typical question. So why, Oliver, have you ever think about it? Why we divided by 3? Is because we have 3 lines. Get it? So if the question is like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's very important to find the 八角的4个 number.
I just want to know, how did you come up with 4, 5? Like, how do you know that like the edges are gonna be 4, 5, and 6 on like the
Oh, it's
second?
because it's 9 numbers, right? They're all together 9 numbers, and there's only 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 7, 8, 9.
Oh, okay.
Samuel, they are set. Think about it, because the differences between them is always 1.
Yeah.
Get it? And the difference is if you choose 1, 4, 7, it is still working, but you cannot do 1, 5, 9. So the difference is not the same. So it's going to create it a larger differences, and you cannot find the number putting them to create it the same sum. Get it? Okay, very good. I
Yeah.
think this question we all understand how to do it, right? Okay, so let's take a look at immediately to go to the exercise set. I was like, what? Okay, this is the most ridiculous math content, like math textbook I have ever read. 给小朋友们一个例子，好，下面全是作业，而且你要看下面有多少题啊？24 questions with only 1 example questions. Can you imagine that? Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, we're going to be there. So using numbers from 1 to 6 for the multiplication problem. Everybody, 2-digit number times 1-digit number equal 3-digit number. 一个2位数乘以一个1位数等于3位数，你只能用1、2、3、4、5、6这6个数字。当然 every single number you only use it once. Cool? So if the people who finished it, just easily send me the equation. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit, after 1 minute, I'm going to give you a little bit hint, trying to help you. 1分钟以后
Answer to you in chat.
Yeah, send it to me in chat. 你做好了 Oliver? Good job. Oliver, 你 send it to me 啊，我没看到。Oh, good job. You get it right. So I'm going to give you some hints, everybody. we need to find out 百位数的数字值可能是几？因为它是一个2位数去乘以一个1位数，而且这些数字只能在1、2、3、4、5、6里面选 ，right？然后你要想想看，每一个数字都不一样的，所以说1肯定不能在这里或者这里，对不对？So if 1's here, so I put a 2 here. So 1 times 2 equals 2. So 2 bumped. Get it? So 1 can never be here. And you know what? 1 could be here. Because it's a 2-digit times 1 digit. Can you imagine a number like 500 something is coming from a 2-digit number times 1-digit number? 有没有可能? We're never gonna happen. 对不对？所以说我觉得1只能在这里。So 1 is gone. Correct? So in order, so then you can put a little bit trying. So everybody, I give you 1 here, and then you know 1 is not here. So I just give you another 1 minute, try to find out. Isaac, 你真的睡觉了 Wake up! Wake up!
I'm awake the whole time.
Okay, everybody, so I'm going to start here, okay? So since I know that in order to make this one 1, you're going to know it's like 2, 6, 3, 5, or 3, 4. Correct? Okay, so let's take a look at this one so we can try. So then I find out I'm going to put 3 here. And you can put 4 here. So so it's going to 3 and 4 is being taken. So you only have 2 and 5 and 6, right? So if you put 2 here, so 6 here, but 2 bumped. So I decided to change it to 5 and change it to here is 4. Yeah, just keep trying. So 3 times 4 equals 12, so it's 160. So that is the answer. Get it, everybody? Okay, it's a bit like everybody need a little bit luck. Okay, so but the thing is, the most important thing is it's 100 something. Okay, number 2, very fun question. Use digit 9 4 times with mathematical operation 加减乘除 so that the expression evaluates to 100. 9用4次，你可以在加减乘除里面选你喜欢用的，然后做出来等于100。
Is there like a set amount of times you can use the operations?
只能用4次啊，但是这个加减乘除你不是都需要用的 ，it doesn't matter.
So like you can do like 9 times 9 times 9, like
yeah.
oh okay, so
Final
there's
answer,
a
but the final
so
answer
there's a limit.
equals 100.
So there's a limit on the 9s, but there's not
3,
a limit
4
on the
times.
operators.
Yeah. “我跟你讲，我让你们在一开始上课的时候去上厕所，然后我自己没上，这个是非常 sad 的一个 story。 啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。哎呀，我跟你讲，这道题目你们看到以后肯定会觉得说啊，怎么这么简单？Don't let the crowd like cover your brain。哎，不行不行，我要去上个厕所，我上个厕所以后马上回来啊。啊，不行不行，我让你们把这道题目做完了，我再去上。我舍不得你们。But if I pee on my pants, it's gonna be sad. 然后你们就会说啊，我们的数学老师尿在裤子上了。That is the saddest story ever gonna happen in a math class.
And I use 9 divide 9 plus 99.
Good job.
What?
Good job. Okay, very good. Hi, you're good. Right now it's 99 plus 9 divided by 9 equals 100. Good job. Who said we need to separate the 9? You can put together. Huh? Ivy, get it? I know. 这个题目快得不得了。Yeah, that's the worst question ever. It's okay. Let's take a look at this one. Use the number from 1 to 7 such that each straight line adds up to the same total. This question is very similar to the question we learned it before. 跟前面我学到的题目非常一样，但是这次它的线已经帮你标出来了，一共有几条线？1条、2条、3条 ，OK？ 而且1、2、3、4、5、6、7个数字 ，OK？ 小朋友们想一想啊。我可以去尿尿了，再不去尿尿，我就要尿在裤子上了。Okay, so
Yes.
boys and girls, you do it. Okay, when I come back, I wish one of you or two of you or all of you get the answer. Okay.
Why do you have to say that? What is the reason, Mom?
You're late.
I finished.
Oliver, you finished?
Yeah.
Good job.
Me too.
Okay, Peng Peng got it. Real Peng Peng. Daniel, show your face. Come on.
My name is called He, not Peng Peng.
Because your name has been taken by Daniel.
I know.
蛋妞，蛋妞，快点把脸露出来。你为什么戴了一个 swimming 的眼镜在上课？我真受不了你。Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, Ivy 看一下这道题目 ，and Samuel, Isaac 看一下这道题目。如果我把这每一个数字 A B C D E F G 你会发觉第一条线的 sum 是 a plus g plus d, number one line. Number two line is c plus f plus g. And number three line is b plus e plus g. So it should be, if there's no number has been repeated, it should be a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f plus g, which is exactly 1 plus all the way to 7. Can you tell me 1 plus all the way to 7 equals what? Who can tell me?
28.
Wait, oh,
E,
you said it first.
20?
8.
Thank you.
8. Hey, you
Who's
just heard
screaming into the microphone?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna
No,
be
no, no, not you. Someone's screaming into their microphone.
Okay,
Huh?
so let's take a
Oh.
look at this one. 那其实这里面一共有几个数字啊？Ivy，你看，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9 ，right? So there are 9 numbers. Actually, the center number, which is G, has been used 3 times, but the rest of the number is only used once.
You can actually like do like the
对啊，
thing.
那就说明这个 number G has been used 2 times more than the other number. 我们在学数学的时候啊，当我们在学数学的时候，when we're learning math or learning any subject in this world， 我想跟小朋友说一下啊，你一定要找到 the common thing and the 不是一样的点，知道吗？当你发觉很多东西都是一样的时候 ，you can apply all the formula to that. For instance， 如果我告诉你三角形的面积是底乘以高，你还需不需要再学三角形的面积？
No.
对，因为所有的三角形面积都用这个方式公式来做。那我们在做题目的时候，不仅要找到 common points， 还要找到不 common 的 points 是什么？在这道题目里面 ，center number is the uncommon points，which is G， 对不对？好了，那我们这次把 G 先拿出来嘛。那 Oliver， 我们把1放在中间就好了嘛。那1放在中间，我们这个28就要加几啊
28
8就要加2 times 1 because this is a G and this G
Yeah.
use it twice. So the sum is 30. So this is G plus A plus all the way to G. So that's why 30 divided by what? Divided by
divided by 3.
because there are 3 lines, so equals 10. So that means 每一条线都等于10，中间是1，也就是说 A 加 D 要等于9。这里有没有9啊？你看2加7等于9， 3加6等于9， 4加5等于9。所以我只要把2 7 3 6 and 4 5 put it there. But it is the real only answer? Of course not.
No.
I can put 4 in the center.
Yeah, and then 3, 5, 2, 6, and 1.
And you can, when I put 4, so 1 7 2 6 and 3 5. I can also put 7 in the center, then 1 6 2 5 and 3 4. So again, for this number, they have 3 sets of the numbers answers. Understand, everybody? Okay, if you can get 1, it's good, but if you can get 3, that's perfect. There's always some steps between good and perfect. Okay, in my class, I want everybody to be perfect. Though it's very hard, but I trust you can do it. Okay, this figure was created by 12 toothpicks. Move 2 toothpicks to create 7 squares. Boys and girls, let's go. 你撅着嘴干嘛，球妈？你 move toothpick 要撅嘴的，用嘴 move 的。
It is my secret hobby.
快点做，废话。
Yes, Madame SpongeBob.
你为什么拿着鸡食来给我？我又不吃鸡食。我们不吃饭了。啊，拿那个 Uber Eats order 好，你可以送过来，好像。你看，老师是饿着肚子给你们上课的，感不感动？
No，我也饿着肚子来上课的。
你是 no 的人，不要说话啊 ！no 的人不要说话。Oliver 感不感动？老师饿着肚子给你上课。
Oliver say no.
Isaac
No.
Oliver 你完了。
All of you guys say no.
I said no.
I'm done.
嗯哼，
哼哼。
谁做完了？哪些小朋友做完了？做完了举个手。哎呀，只有 Isaac 一个人做完了。OK，Isaac tell us the answer。这道题目挺有趣的。
Do I have to annotate on the screen?
Yeah.
Oh.
有的。
Let me see if I still remember how to do this. Oh yes.
啊，你已经忘了你。
You could do like that,
嗯哼 Yes.
that,
Yes.
and then move these two
Yeah,
there.
moving to， 把这两个 move 掉，放到这里面。你看，你要 think out of the box。看，原来有4个，对不对？
Squares that.
对啊，1个、2个、3个，然后4个、5个、6个、7个，看到没有？啊，恍然大悟，是不是？啊，就想说啊，我怎么才能变出来一样？他又没说 7 squares must be equal。
Oh,
对啊
I will suddenly become Indian.
呀，你小笨笨 ，OK？
Wait, no, that would be 6 if you put it like that.
没有啊，大的也要再，哎呦，
I'm
这
confused.
脸。
Oh, right, Stadia Sanga. Never mind. You're so smart.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Isaac, this is Isaac. So Isaac said took 把这2根拿掉，对不对？把这2根拿掉。哎呀，等一下，我来弄一下。把这根拿掉，把这根拿掉，对不对？ So there are 2. So he put it here. He put it here. So everybody, it's going to be 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Get it? Okay, move just 3 pennies. Okay, 这个我们不做了啊。Okay, how many ways can 5 different books be arranged on shelf? On a shelf.
I know.
看看清楚啊 ，5 different books.
Got it. I think. Is it a 5 factorial?
哎，你们能不能想好了然后再回答我呀？你说啊 ，Isn't that？ 这种问题我拒绝回答。
Isn't it
Yeah.
5 exclamation mark?
It is.
Okay, so on a shelf, we only have 1 shelf, 对不对？有5本不同的书。Okay, so first of all, 我们可以一本一本放，对不对？ A 一本 ，B 一本 ，C 一本 ，D 一本 ，E 一本，这是不是5种方法了 ？Correct, everybody? Okay, so now what's next? So we can 2本2本放，对不对？看 A B A C A D A E B C B D B E C D C E and D E. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Why is it like that?
No, 我要先给他们讲一讲呀。那
哦
你来讲，你来讲，我不讲了。
I thought 10 was the answer.
Yeah, 那你来说嘛？那为什么是 5 exclamation？ 为什么 ？Why? Tell us.
Because the first place you put the book, there you have 5 choices for which book. For the second one, you have 4 choices. The third one, you have 3 choices. And then the fourth one, you have 2 choices. The fifth one, you have 1 choices.
为什么呀
What? What do you mean?
？Why？为什么？为什么有 four？为什么有 five choices？
Because it's just like how you arrange
So
them.
who said we need to put the 5 different books all together on the shelf? Did they say that how many ways can 5 different books be arranged on shelf?
Well, I never told you there was 2 shelves.
No, there's only one shelf. Okay.
Well, I never told you it has to be on 2. It has to be like put diagonally or up down.
Yeah. So that's the question's different. It's not the 不是啊。他说 how many ways can 5 different books be arranged on a shelf? And 他们有没有说从5本书全都要放上？
Well, what if somebody cut down the shelf?
No, different. Okay, so this question I
Zero
want you
books.
to think about. You have to be good at listing. 必须一个一个列出来 okay? Okay, so use the numbers from 1 to 9 once each to produce the largest product possible from the multiplying 2 numbers together. What does it mean, everybody? 从1到9一共有9个数字 okay? 你要把它变成2个数字的乘积 in order to make this product the bigger, the better. Okay? And you have to use all these 9 numbers. You're not using 13 times 9 and I'm done. Of course, this one is going to be smaller than 123 times 459, right? So you're going to use all the 9 digits. So it's, of course, it's going to be, oh, no, I'm talking too much. I cannot tell you. Think about it. 我不能再多说。
Finally, you realize the problem.
Yes， 我如果再多说的话，你们就自己都做出来了。Okay, so everybody, I'm going to give you a little bit help. Okay, so for instance, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. Okay, so while I'm giving you this question, Ivy, I still remember when we start this questions, start today's class. We started with some numbers like if 9 times 9 plus 1 equals what? and 99 times 99 times 1. So we're always starting with something smaller, and we apply for the bigger number. Remember that? Okay, so obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there are 9 numbers. It's hard to do it. So how about we just start with some smaller number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then if I find the secret, then I apply on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I can start it with 1, 2, 3. Why I'm not using 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3, 4? Because I noticed that 1,
it'd
2,
be s-
9 is odd number. Yes, very good. So we need to be precisely notice about all the odd points and common points. Remember I said you need to be very suspicious. You have to be a detective to read and understand the math questions. Okay, you should smell the suspicious point. The hand, this part is very suspicious, right? So 1, 2, 3. So if I'm using 12 times 3 or 13 times 2 or 21 times 3, so you're going to find out what is a combination of making the number biggest. Okay, so that is the thing. So let me ask you, so if we have a number 12 times 3 equals, of course, we're not going to put the 1 as the 10th digit, 对不对？我们把这个 31 times 2, I think, will be the biggest one. Right? So in order to get the bigger number, we need to put all the bigger number on the 10位数、100位数，对不对？越靠前越好，然后把小的数字越靠后越好。那我们来看看 Yeah, okay, so this one is something we know. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's take a look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 那1, 2, 3, 4, 5呢？Of course, it's going to be 500 and something times 4 something, 40 something, correct? 对不对？好了，那我们再来看看，那剩下什么？4和5都没有了，3和2和1。那到底是把2和1放在这里，3放在这里比较好呢，还是3、2放在这里，1放的比较好呢？那你怎么知道 ？You try it. Okay, so now I want you to try it. Which number will be bigger? 好了，小朋友们，现在可以用一下计算器 if you have, okay? So I'm going to allow you to use a calculator. So who can tell me? 两个数字。哦，小朋友们，我们这个我就给你们这个 definition 啊。When two numbers they close， 比如说5乘以9就没有6乘以8大。The sum is the same, so 14 and 14, but because 5 and 9, they're on the two sides of the number line. 6 and 8 is more close. Get it? So that's why. 你要知道两个 sum 一样的时候，你看7乘以7肯定大于6乘以8，肯定大于5乘以9。So when in order to make these two numbers the same, 它们的 product 是最大。所以说我们之间的数越小越好。Understand? So you're going to find out the sum, okay? So the product, we're not going to spend any more time. So it's already passed, but I want to finish the number 8. Okay, every minute a cell splits in 2. Okay, if at 4 p.m. there's a 1 cell in a jar and at 5 p.m. the jar is full of cells, when was the jar half full of cells? 这道题目非常非常好。OK， 什么是？就是有一个细胞，它会分成每1分钟它都会分裂成2个。OK， 第1分钟的时候它是1个 ，Number 2的时候它变成2个了，第3分钟的时候它变成4个了，第4分钟的时候它变成8个了，每次它就是乘以2乘以2乘以2。OK， 在5点钟的时候它是 full of cells when it's half full。那些小朋友说哦，我要从头开始算，不是的，因为它在5点钟的时候它是 full 的。它是怎么样变成负的？它是变成它乘 something 乘以2变成负，所以说4点59分的时候它是 half。Understand? This is a really fun questions. Don't you agree with me? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so boys and girls, this is gonna be your homework. Okay, so we're going to finish the number 1 to number 12. And then also that next week, we're going to go through these questions again. Okay, I want you to starting. Well, before you go, I want to ask you, does everybody in this class is using your brain thoroughly today?
We
We
well,
okay.
yeah, but I just want to ask, where do you see this PDF? Because like I'm new to this class.
PEF? What is PEF? Oh, I'm
If you
going
like, let's go check. the
我
answer.
们会把那个我们会弄一个 Google Class，然后所有的作业、所有的 video
哦
都
OK
在里面，然后你交作业也在里面。我们这个题目做到第12题，然后这个地方相对比较简单一点，我们做
Pardon.
Alright.
我们做到第 7.3。Okay, so it's easy. It's nothing hard.
Like, oh,
Yeah, some questions. So we finished here, I think. Yeah.
so do we just create like a Google Classroom or something?
Yeah, I'm going to create a Google Classroom. I'm going to send it to your mom and in the WeChat, and
Alright.
she will help you. You can log in and all the things. And if there's any questions, then you can just always ask me over there. Understood? Okay, so everybody new to this class, it's very usual. You feel like it's hard. It is very usual that you feel like your brain is blowing. Okay, this is me, but I'm not going to. But I hope everybody is enjoying the time here. Everybody? Yes? Okay. Yeah, I'm not accepted the answer saying no. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today's class, and I hope I'm gonna see everybody next Wednesday. And please handling the homework on time because I need maybe on Monday, so I have some time to go through it. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class, and I'm gonna see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.